Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. And today, what I'm going to be teaching you guys is how to draw the cartoon nose. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to start with just a few basic little ideas. I like to the best way to be able to learn it is to just kind of do repetitive drawing. So that's going to be the purpose of this video. I'm going to go through a series of different nose shapes, and then you'll be able to just kind of play the video back and follow behind me, and then learn how to recognize these different or particular types of noses when you're drawing them here live. Okay, so this is going to be an example of a side. We're going to start over here and just kind of work. So I'll just put 1, 2, we'll do 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're going to learn 12 different types of nose shapes here today. Okay, so we're going to start with this particular nose shape here. Okay, so this is what we call, this is the straight kind of nose. So we want to do want to start with the middle of your nose, which is going to be just your middle base of the nose, and I kind of want you to think about a spaceship. You see how it looks like a spaceship there? Then you want to define the middle of the nose, and then usually I'll draw like one side of the nose with a heavy line, and then the other side with a kind of a suggestive line. Okay, so that's one nose right there. All right, let's go ahead and do our this is an upturned nose. Okay, so you see somebody with a nose that's upturned. Maybe you want to do something like this. So there'll be a nose where you go 1, okay, and then it goes 2, 3, right? And then we're going to go 4, 5, and then you'll see where the nose kind of does like this. Okay, and then you'll put like a little thing here, and you can see where the nose kind of just turns up there. And normally you'll be able to see some of the nostrils, so you'll just kind of color it in like that. Okay, now we have another nose here. This is like a balloon nose here. So we'll go 1 and 2, right? And then this one generally has like smaller nostrils, and you can put like a little shape in the middle here. Okay, and then we're going to go here to nose number 4. Okay, and we're going to draw a little shape like that, right, with a little point. Okay, 1, okay, 2, remember. Okay, you see how we put that suggestive line on one side or the other? All right, let's go with a skinny nose here. Somebody that has a really thin nose. So we'll do a little thin spaceship like that. Okay, and then we'll just put the long bridge. Okay, and see how I kind of suggest the other side of the nose there? Okay, so that looks like a really cool nose right there. All right, now we're gonna do, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some we're gonna do ones that look a little bit so we're gonna go back here. We're gonna do another form of a nose here. We're gonna go just like this here. This is a person with like a really kind of a big nose here. So we're gonna do something like this here. Okay, and it helps a lot of times, once again, to think of the nose as, you know, what shape is that? You know, maybe that looks like a flying saucer or something, you know what I mean? Or whatever you can wrap your mind around. Sometimes it's easier for you to draw an object versus an actual nose, you know. Now this right here is going to be an awesome nose here, because this nose is one of those noses that goes way down here, right? Okay, see the big basic shape of it? You want to get the basic shape down first. Then see how we do this, and then we bring it up. And then the other side, it's kind of like suggested once again. Okay. Okay. See how we did that? So that was real easy right there. All right. Let's see what else we got here. All right, we got another little upturned nose. This is like a really exaggerated upturned nose here. Okay, we'll put the little circles there. See how that kind of looks like a car? We put some wheels right there, look like a little car. Okay, and then you just kind of color this in, right? Then you put a little line right there, and there you have it. You got a upturned nose right there. And if you can't really see it, you can see here that this would be like kind of like the eyes. See? You see how that nose looks kind of upturned right there? It's pretty funny, huh? Alright, and then I'll tell you what, we're going to switch it up here. Let's do a little bit of angles on our nose real quick. So we'll start over here at nose number 9. Okay? And we're going to do something like this. So we'll start basically with the outer portion of the nose like that. Okay? Then we'll draw the nostril. Okay, and then we'll add the other nostril here. Make sure that those nostrils are at the same angle. Okay, and then you just kind of suggest here the other side of the nose. And once again, these are those eyes where they're always going to kind of intersect. This eye is always going to kind of intersect with that side right there. Okay, and then we'll just kind of put a little suggestive shape right there. Okay, let's go with something that looks a little bit more pointier. Okay, well, not pointy, but kind of thicker in the front. So we'll do something like this. Once again, we want to turn the nose to the side that we want. We want to draw a nostril. Then we want to draw the wing of the nose, and then we want to put a small hint of the wing on the other side. Okay, kind of looks like an airplane flying that way. All right, then we'll go ahead here and put one side of the nose here and the other side, and then we'll go ahead and just put suggestive lines on this side. I always like to suggest a little bit of, or put a little bit of the 3/4 view in to my picture when I'm drawing, because you can just appreciate the nose a little bit better that way. So the 3/4 nose, even if you're drawing the face straight on, you can kind of sneak this in there. Nobody's gonna know what you did. It's kind of the sleight of hand of caricature. Alright, then we'll do this last 2 noses here. So these are going to be ones where the nostrils will look a little bit more flared out. Okay, just like so, right? And then we'll draw a little shape here, right? And once again, you can see how we're able to just kind of put our eyes in there, right? Make some cool little eyes, alright? And then we're going to do one more here for the road, guys. So we'll turn this one the other way. Once again, we want to get the major shape of the nose, the nostril, the wing of the nose. Okay, and then we want to put our eyebrows or whatever, and we can see how the eyes kind of interact. I just drew the eyes on a couple of them for you. Okay guys, so that's a quick little nose tutorial. So this is how you draw some noses. You can go back, replay this video, practice makes perfect, and then learn how to draw these noses and recognize them. This is a vast variety of noses, so go ahead and look at people's noses and see if you can identify them. Get some pictures off the internet, maybe try to draw a couple of caricatures and just put noses in those caricatures. Practice drawing your noses. Alright guys, so if you want to learn more about noses, you can always take that online class with me. I do offer a class at Rowserworld.com/classes. I do one-on-one classes, and I can teach you a little bit more about this thing called caricature. These videos are just kind of made to go over the basic ideas, and but we can get more in depth if you wish to take that class with me. Other than that, guys, have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.